Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's adventure, I am taking you with me on a day in the life in Bar Harbor. Let's do it. So we are starting our adventure off today. It is a gorgeous Sunday. The weather is perfect. So what could be better than getting out on the water? You gotta have friends with boats. That's the key to life. Let's do it. This gorgeous day. It is a gorgeous sunny Sunday here in Bar Harbor. So today we're going to go boating on this gorgeous sunny Bar Harbor day. So boating out here on the Sound, the town of Bar Harbor in the distance. So much fun. Very calm water today, which is good. And I'm excited. This is so fun. So let's do it.
Ahoy! And where's my champagne?
day boating. So much fun. But the day continues. We are headed for a nice little early dinner in Northeast Harbor at a place called Copita. Let's do it. Beautiful meal at Copita. Oh my gosh, we had the crispy Brussels sprout, then we had the crispy artichoke. Amazing. The showstopper for me though was the scallops. They were amazing on this bed of polenta that was crispy, and then there was pieces of pork belly. It was amazing. But then the dessert. Oh my gosh, there was a creamy sort of cheesecake, but not a cheesecake, with this fresh blueberry. By the way, it's all about blueberries up here. Now, we are going to see the new Naked Gun, as you do, at one of my favorite places, The Real Pizza. Enjoy the movie, and let's do it.
We're right in the heart of Bar Harbor. This is Real Pizza.
Stupid, cute, stupid, and more cute. Exactly what Naked Gun is supposed to be. If you grew up with those movies like I did, I mean, Airplane is hands down one of the greatest of all times. That was so fun. Very fun. Now, it's time. You gotta have ice cream. So let's have ice cream. I mean, honestly, what could be better? Mint chocolate chip, rainbow sprinkles, so good. CJ's Dippers since 1989. All right. Had the best time today. Bar Harbor, boating, dinner, movies, pizza, ice cream. What could be better? I want to thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you soon.